NextWave CNC is focused on continuing to improve the performance and capabilities of our SHARK CNCs. Our quality accessories, parts, and innovative tools are all designed to expand creative opportunities while providing maximum performance for our customers who own a SHARK. NextWave CNC SHARK HD510 was crafted for professional woodworkers and hobbyists everywhere. It comes partially assembled and has a large 28-inch by 36-inch aluminum interlock T-slot bed and two hold-down table clamps. Also included is a carbide V-bit, which allows precision carving in both 2D and 3D, while its 7 inches of Z-travel gives you the ability to machine thicker stock than most machines on the market. The HD510 works with any standard router with a 3.5-inch diameter motor and accepts all NextWave accessories, including the high-performance water-cooled spindle kit. The HD510 features a color touchscreen pendant and our patented Virtual Zero software, which maps out your project by using specific reference points, virtually eliminating problems caused by imperfections in the workpiece. Other key features include homing, auto on-off router control, and ready-to-control CAM software for those who would rather operate their system by computer. All NextWave CNC SHARK machines include Vectric design software, lifetime technical support, and an industry-leading 2-year warranty. NextWave CNC SHARK HD510. World class. Made in USA.